How to get an eHarmony free trial. eHarmony offers a basic free membership, allowing you to explore the platform, but messaging and full profile viewing require a paid subscription. While eHarmony does not typically provide a standard free trial, they occasionally offer free communication weekends or promotions. Here's how to try eHarmony for free. Step 1. Visit the eHarmony website. Go to www.eharmony.com. Click Join for Free or Sign Up on the homepage. Step 2. Create a free account. Enter your email address and create a password. Fill out your profile details, including personal preferences and relationship goals. Complete the compatibility quiz, which helps match you with potential partners. Step 3. Explore the free membership features. With the free account, you can receive daily matches based on compatibility, view profiles of other members, send icebreakers, preset greetings, use limited messaging during special events. Step 4. Look for free communication weekends. eHarmony occasionally hosts free communication weekends where all users can send and receive unlimited messages for a limited time. Check eHarmony's website or email notifications for upcoming free communication events. Step 5. Consider paid plans, if needed. If you want unlimited messaging and full access to features, choose a subscription plan. 6-month plan, 12-month plan, 24-month plan. Look for promotional discounts, which eHarmony often offers for new members. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends, if applicable. If you sign up for a free weekend or promotional trial, make sure to cancel before any charges apply. Go to account settings, billing, cancel subscription if necessary. By following these steps, you can explore eHarmony's matchmaking services for free and decide if a subscription is worth it.